Okay, new setup, not exactly, just new background. Okay, so today we have 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Okay, this is a bike from, I think, K or L case, I don't know. Okay, so I have it here. Oh, it says factory fresh, 10 out of 10, the last one. So we'll see that. I don't know, I don't recognize this number here. Okay, anyways, so yeah, this is the bike, and today we are going to uncard it. It says 79 right here. We have the rider, no detailing in the front as such. Yeah, we have the glass visor. We'll just open it and see how it looks. Okay, also this I got this, from a stationery nearby. This, it's such a nice packaging. It's so nice that I mostly don't want to open it, but we will. Just taking my time here. If you are new here, you might not know because the struggle is real. I chipped 2 of my Hot Wheels body paint, so I have to be a bit more careful. And if you're not new here, so you know, right? Sorry. This ought to happen when you are on low budget and you don't have any specialized blade skills. But the cut has come out almost clean. Okay, yes, just this one small thing here. Okay, we have the bike. Look at that. It looks absolutely nice, really nice. Some detailing, paint could have been better here. It says 79. Oh, nice spoke wheels. Is it a star shaped spokes? I don't know what it's called, but looks nice. See, this is the visor that I was talking about. I've made it in plastic. This bike body is in metal. Okay, not this guy. Oh, nice. They said Triumph right here on his jacket. On the other side we have the same thing. Yeah, this is how it is, what do you say, welded, bolted together. See, this is the Hot Wheels embossed logo, if you can see here. Looks nice, the bike. Yeah, okay, it doesn't even roll a bit, not even a little bit. They didn't give any stand as such. Let me change the camera angle quick. Okay, we are back. This is the bike. I hope it stands against something. I can make it stand. It looks very nice, right? The tail, the exhausts. Look at the exhaust. They have painted with some silver grayish color. The detailing on the chain is nice. Overall, even the jacket, the clothes detailing is done very good. For a bike worth ₹179, this looks very nice. This is how, it is on this one. Okay, it's okay. You can go back and check how it looked. This is my second Hot Wheels bike. I had the older version, so I don't remember the name. Just a second. Yeah, so this is how it looks. Looks nice. I don't know what else is there much to say about this small little bike. It is nice, and I think that's the video. Very short and sweet. So please, take in this look. It looks nice, white and black. It could be my pocket Hot Wheels for tomorrow. Not the pocket car, maybe a pocket bike or motorcycle. Depends on what region you live in and what you call it. So that is it from this video, right? So please do like, share, comment, subscribe. Many of you don't subscribe, so please do subscribe. And this is the 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Okay, that was the review and the unboxing or uncarding, you call it. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, keep collecting, and have a great time. Cheers.